Hello, alright. Today we're doing the Fkj Ylang Ylang tutorial. Finally got the angle right. Yes, okay. So we're gonna be doing the tutorial. I was gonna do this like years ago, but it was too complicated, so anyway, we're doing it now. Alright, so start off with the chords, trying to get the chords broken down, and then I'm gonna do melody, and yeah. Alright, so first chord, F sharp major 7. So that is F sharp, B flat, C sharp, F. Once again, I'll put the chords up on the screen as well, just for the visual learners to really get it down. Alright, so first chord. And hopefully you guys are playing it with me just to get the sound, get the sound in your head. Alright, so you're going to press it down like this, or you can do you can hold it down, you can do like a chop kind of. And that's how it's played in the song, but for beginners I recommend just holding it like this, but alright, so when you press this chord down, you're going to press F. So, alright, so you're going to hit F twice and then we go to E flat. But when you hit E flat, you're also going to switch chords, but let's just get this part. Alright, so F, 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 F. So you're going to hit the chord once and then hit F twice. Alright, so now the next chord is F sharp 6. So all you're doing, this chord is F sharp, B flat, C sharp, B. No. F sharp, B flat, C sharp, E flat. And all you're doing is moving from, so this is the F sharp major 7. All you're doing is moving your thumb to E flat. So it goes from here, and you're going to press the F sharp 6 when you get to the E flat over here. So okay. Alright, so so what I did for that part was I did F, A flat, F, E, E flat. And then I ran it back down, E flat, E, F. And then you want to go over to C. But when you get to C, we're going to introduce a new chord. So let's just get this part once again. Alright, so so now once you get to this point, your thumb's gonna land on C. So you're gonna go. So once you're here, before you hit the C, after this part, then the next chord is D flat major 7, which is C sharp, F, A flat, C. Alright. I'll just do one finger so you guys can see all the notes. Because I hate watching the tutorial and I can't see the notes at all because people's hands. Alright, so C sharp, F, A flat, C. Alright, so so you go and then you go to D flat 6, which is moving the thumb from the C to B flat. So now so F sharp, D flat, sharp 6. No, yeah, D flat 6 is C sharp, F, A flat, B flat. So you're just going from the C to the B flat. Alright? Alright. C, B flat. And on the B flat, you're hitting the D flat 6. Okay? So, play it all the way through. And then once you get to this point, this is where the cool little lick comes in, which is, so what I did there was A flat, B flat, C sharp, E flat. Actually, wait. Yeah, for the first run, we're gonna go. So. Alright, yeah, so we'll do that. Okay, so it's A flat, B flat, C sharp, E flat. But you gotta roll it like that. Alright, so A flat, B flat, C sharp, E, C, C, F, B flat. Alright, so once again. Then you reset. Now on your second run, there's a different melody. So you go F, A flat, B, E, E flat, and then you do the run down again. Just a slight variation so it's not repetitive. He does a lot of different stuff in the song, but this is the basic structure of it pretty much. He does all his little run stuff, but yeah, you can play around with this melody, add your own little touch to it, which is what I did in my cover. If you haven't seen it, check it out. But yeah, so that's pretty much the song. Yeah. Hopefully this wasn't too complicated. I'm gonna go over it one more time. I'm gonna play it very slowly. Alright? Alright, so you can do that also. So after the all I do is go A flat, B flat, C sharp, E, F, and then I just go back to the 1. The 1 is going to be F sharp major 7, because that's the first chord that I started off with. So. Alright, so yeah guys, that's the tutorial. I'm going to put all the chords on the screen and the notes on the screen so that you guys can get it. I would, because a lot of people are asking for this tutorial, so I would like to see you guys playing it because that'd be really cool. So if you guys want to just tag me on Instagram, I would love to see you guys playing it, just to know this tutorial helped you guys out. I'm going to try to do some more tutorials. I'm gonna post a cover, and then every cover I post, I'm gonna do a tutorial for that cover. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. You can message me on Instagram at Sethyjfox, or you can just leave a comment. I do read comments, and I am on Instagram pretty consistently. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I did not do all the stuff I did in the cover on this tutorial because I just wanted to keep it at the Fkj Ylang Ylang song, because I feel like that's what people mostly want to learn. The cover was just kind of what I wanted to do, and I don't want to have you guys doing what I'm doing when you guys are musicians too, and you can do your own thing. So yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoyed once again. Hopefully this helped you learn this beautiful song. I love this song. But yeah, all right.